Hey everyone. So I've been saying I was going to do an elephant board. So yeah, you'll see there's various colors, a lot of beiges, gold tones, tan tones. There's a lot of warmer copper tones to them. Some of them have a gray undertone to them, a little black. So I'm going to use these colors today, which is the tricorn black. You have Skanda. You have this guy again, my little champagne. This one's butternut, straight up gold. This one was a mix that I made a while ago for a painting I was doing of a portrait. It's a nice fleshy tone. Then you have copper, gold, bronze, and silver. So I'm going to keep them in the metallics, and today we are going to do the dip technique, or I like to call it the push and mush, because you push it, you mush it, you lift it, and ta-da. So I have 6 small canvases. They're all the 8x10s, all prepped already. I put the tape down, I have the push pins in them, so they're all level. And that's what we're going to do today. So let me get my gloves on, let me get all the paint aside, and we're going to be putting the paint directly onto the plastic and going from there. Alright, so I am back and have everything lined up. These little metallics from Master's Touch. I'm probably not going to add Floetrol or anything. I just want to throw some in, just a little bit, into the mixture. So there's not going to be any Floetrol, any silicone into them. It's going to be pure acrylic paint. I want to see how they're going to play with the acrylics with the silicone and the Floetrol are already added. I won't be using white today, so I'm going to throw down some of the colors. Even though elephants aren't metallic, I am using metallics. It's going to give it extra dimension. This will be part 1 of 2 videos. Just to let you guys know, once all 6 of these are dry, we will be coming back and revisiting the last video I did with the embossing. I'm going to be doing embossing onto the elephant colors. So that will be something we will be playing with. But for now, let's just get some of these colors down. It's a messy, messy day today. Ooh, a lot of that came out. Let's come back with more of the silver. And now let's add a few drops of this silver. A few drops of the copper. Ooh, this bronzy color is thick. Maybe I should have added Floetrol to that one. Oh well, we'll see how that comes out. And this gold. I do like the vibrance of this gold. The other side. And one squirt of the Scanda. So, here we go. Well, that's what I have for now, and with the power of digital magic, we will return when they're all dry. Hey everyone, we're back. It's been a couple days. I already cleaned them off, but they're dried. They're all done. All 6 of them. I'm kind of loving the way the metallic finished on them. So, on these, I'm going to be playing with a mixture of gold leafing and embossing. So I want to try the embossing again. I got a static pouch this time, so thank you for suggesting that, Sherry. So I will be doing the static pouch. With the embossing though, I want to add a mandala onto each one of them, whether in the corner, in the center, somewhere. But I'm just going to be doing the circles with the embossing for that. Then afterwards, I want to come back and use various other golds that I have to draw in the elephant, to draw in the details to the mandala. I want to continue with that gold elephant, kind of tribal, kind of Indian, kind of Zen kind of look, but something around there, a lot cleaner, probably thinner lines. Just add it to these 6. And also wanted to talk about, I reached my 100 subscribers, yay! So after these are done, stay tuned. I will have a video talking about my 100 subscriber giveaway. I will be choosing 2 of these, or you guys can, whoever wins, 2 subscribers, I will be doing a draw, and they get to pick one of the 6. So 2 of these will be going to new homes when they are done. So stay tuned for that video, and stay tuned for the next video when we come in and do the embossing. See you then. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below, let me know what you think. And yeah, if you have any questions or any ideas for upcoming videos you want to see, let me know. Leave them in a comment below. Alright,